So this is how the responsive navigation bar look like. So let's implement it using HTML and CSS. So I'm going to use one style sheet, which I will be putting the link in the description. You can use it. So let's go to the body and write something as responsive navigation bar with icon inside S3 tag, and inside S6 tag let's write the direction to please resize the page to see the responsive effect on the navigation bar. Okay, then take one more div and class is going to be navbar. Okay, and inside div let's use the anchor tag. Okay, and so what we are going to do is we are going to create four icons. Okay, so the first one is going to be home, second one login, search, and then contact. Okay, okay, and then we are going to use I tag to put the icon for all these four anchor tags. So we are going to use font awesome. So fa is nothing but font awesome. Fa hyphen fw is for fixing the width of the icon. Okay, so we are going to see what is font awesome. Okay, so this is your website. So if you search home, you see there are so many icons. Okay, so simply click on it and get the HTML code and use in your HTML code. Okay, so if you see we have searched with all the four icons we have, and then we are going to replace it. Okay, so for login fa hyphen user, fa hyphen search, fa hyphen envelope. Okay, and then let's add href to all the four anchor tags. Okay, and then we are going to make the first one class as active, which means we'll be setting some colors which will be looking like a different from all three. So as of now you see nothing has happened because we have not applied the css. Okay, so guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe if it is helping you in any way. So let's do the styling. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to add the background color to the body, that is going to be black, and then let's add the styling for the nav bar. So width is going to be 100%, background color is going to be, let's put anything with this dark gray, and overflow is going to be auto. Okay, let's add the styling for anchor tag of nav bar. Okay, so here the float is going to be left and padding is going to be 10 px. Okay, and then the next property is going to be the color. So color we are going to put it as white, text decoration is going to be none, and then the next thing is font size, we can keep it as 15 px. Okay, the next styling is going to be for hovering. So whenever you keep your mouse on any of the four icons, so you can see the background color changing to be black. Okay, let's apply some styling for the active class. So here we are just going to change the background color to green. So the first icon will having the background color as green. Okay, so you can see that, but the navbar color does not look to be good. Okay, so what we can go to do is we can change the color. So now it also doesn't look, let's make some lighter color. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, so let's implement the media. Okay, so the media is screen, and then we can keep the width as 450 px max width. Okay, and then let's use our navbar anchor here. Okay, and put the styling. So float is going to be none, and then display is going to be block. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so our navbar is not responsive, so let's change the max width to 600 px. Okay, and then we go.